Good evening, dear sir, and all my fellow classmates. So, how are you all? By looking your faces, I hope that you all are fine. So, today I am back with again new presentation topic. So, today my presentation topic is about concentration. So, before starting my topic, I would like to tell you that what I am going to explain in this topic. So, my first topic is introduction. It means that what is concentration. Second thing is that what are the advantages? Means what are the benefits of having a good concentration power. So, third thing that what are the side effects? What are the disadvantage points of not having a good concentration power? Fifth thing. I want to say that a few tips I will provide you, so how you can focus, means how your concentration level can be increased. Now at last, conclusion. So here I begin with the introduction, means that what is concentration. Before I tell, I want to get your opinion that what is concentration. Harsh, can you tell me that what is concentration? Concentration.
Concentration means that in anything like studying, playing, etc., we need concentration.
So I am saying that definition of concentration, define it. Anyone else? Yes.
To focus on things.
Okay. Rahul? Yes, you are right. What's your name, please? Yes, he is right. Harsh. So he is right to focus on something. It can be study, it can be sports, it can be anything. Okay. According to me, what is concentration? Concentration is a thing which tells you like how concentrated you are to your studies. Means that how focused you are through your studies, through your sports, through your English speaking, anything it can be there. So now I would like to jump on second point, that what are the advantages of having a good concentration power. See, having a good concentration power have a many points, but I will tell you only 2 points. See the main points are that the main points are that if you will have a good concentration power, so your exams will be taught very clearly to yourself. Means that you will be studying, if you will studying a topic, so you will get it very clearly. Now see, do you know that in everyone's class there is a topper? Am I right?
Yes.
In everyone's class, in Nikhil class also, in Divyanshi's class also, even in my class also there are 2 toppers. Am I right? Every class is having a 1 or 2 toppers. Yes? Yes? Yes, you all are right. Okay, so see, you know what is the main reason behind it? Why did they top? Why did they top? Tell me please.
Because they study.
No, studies is not answer. No? Yes, Didi.
Because of their concentration in studies.
Yes. Nikhil?
Because they do concentration in studies.
Yes, Harsh?
Because their concentration power is more than us.
Okay, you, Harsh, and what's your name? Arna. Yes, Harsh and Anna Didi are right that why toppers top in the class, because they have a good concentration power during the studies. Because see, you know how many hours a topper studies in a day? You might be saying that 4, 5, 7 hours they might be studying in a day. Yes, you might be saying it, okay? But you know how many hours did a topper study in a day? Only 1 to 3 hours, maximum 3 hours, okay? Yes, someone might study for 2 hours, some might study for 3 hours. Many, they depend on the topper. How is the course and how is the studies? Okay, so what will happen? You will have a good concentration power, so you will clear all the topics very clearly. You will have more concentration. You will enjoy your studies very nicely, and you will be getting all the topics very clearly in your mind. Now, see, I would like to jump on the next topic, which is what are the side effects of it. Means what are the disadvantages of not having a good concentration power. As I said in the benefit, okay, I said that you can take the examples of toppers, like who tops in the exam, who are having the first and second rank. Okay, so what they have? They have a good concentration power. At the same hand, and the other hand, see, if you not have a good concentration power, what will happen? You can't focus on your studies, you can't focus on your exams, you can't focus on your tuition studies also. This might be happens also and not having a good concentration power. Now I would like to get Harsh, can you please tell me that if concentration power will not there, what will happen?
So the student will be
Fidget.
visit. The student will be visit.
Okay.
The student will not focusing on his studies.
Yes, that's the right answer. That student will not focus on his studies. I'm not talking about studies only. It can be any field, like sports. It can be like teaching only, English speaking, and the other hand studies also. These many things are there by which student will not focus if he will not have a good concentration power. Now I would like to tell you a few tips how you can maintain it. See, at PCI, when you come inside, you have a concentration exercise. Why you have a concentration exercise? See, according to me, we have a concentration exercise because see, the students who fidget a lot. I'm not talking about you. I should give my example only because I also fidget a lot in the class. Okay, so for those students who fidget a lot in the class or fidget a lot at their home, so concentration exercise is for them, not for who are very concentrated with their studies, sports, or any type of field. See, and now I would like to conclude up my speech by saying that we should have a good concentration power, and if we will have a good concentration power, so we will get the thing very easily. Like any topic, we will get easily. Like of exam phobia, trees, climate change. There are many topics which we can get easily, and we can score good marks in competitive exam and many other exams also. Thank you for listening to me. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you. May I have any query, please? Yes, Rahul.
If the children will not do the concentration, so what? In that
Concentration exercise.
answer in that situation, what we will do?
See, if a child will not do the concentration exercise, so what will happen? You know, that child cannot focus on his studies also, because see, a child who fidgets a lot, who do not have a good concentration power, will not focus on his studies, will not score good marks. Like if your dream is to come first or any rank in your class, so you can't come without a good concentration power or without doing concentration exercise. Yes, sir.
If the student has not good concentration power, what will happen?
What?
If the student have not good concentration power, what will be had in that situation?
See, if a student is not having a good concentration power in him, so what he have to do? At least in a day, he has to do 20 minutes only. If a child or a student have 1 to 3 hours free in a day, so in that 3 or 1 hour, he